I've got asparagus spears, which I'm going to grill as a side dish tomorrow for our Christmas dinner. I bought these because I like the size of them. They're not the little skinny ones, and they're not the real coarse, fat ones. With asparagus, what you need to do is to snap the ends off, because some of the ends are very woody and they're hard to chew, so it's best not to even serve them. The asparagus would tell you where it needs to be snapped, because you just bend it and where it snaps is the place to go. These have been pre-washed. I washed them just now, so they're actually draining. Tomorrow after I grill them, I'm going to serve them with a hollandaise sauce. So it should be a nice holiday type presentation. Grilled asparagus with a hollandaise sauce. It's actually very easy to do. One of the other things that I will do with this is to take a little bit of olive oil and toss the asparagus spears in that. Then I'm going to take some salt and pepper and put over that. I may even use a lemon pepper, and it should be real tasty. To prepare my asparagus for the grill, I'm going to drizzle on some extra virgin olive oil, just enough to coat and allow the salt and pepper to stick. I have some Himalayan sea salt that I'll grind in there. Doesn't take much. Remember, we also have the hollandaise sauce that's going to go with this. Then we have freshly ground black pepper. And let's dab on there. And then we just get our hands in there and mix this all together. And then we're going to grill it on the grill. And time that I'm going to spend on the grill is probably no more than about, I'd say probably about 4 to 5 minutes. Just enough to get them hot. On the grill, I will have them on the grill grate. So my grill grate gets rather hot, quite hot, up in the 600s. And that should be enough to give it some char marks and to cook. We don't want it overcooked where it's real flimsy and floppy, but we want it cooked enough where it's not a hard chew. There we have it, prepped for our asparagus, which is going to be served with the hollandaise sauce. Grilling the asparagus on the stove top. I was going to do them outside, and once again I changed my mind due to weather. It's very wet out there with rain blowing and wet, and so it's just easier to do them in here. I won't get the same type of char, but they will cook. Asparagus will be served with a hollandaise sauce, and it'll be good. It'll be yummy. I've done this before. Asparagus with a hollandaise sauce.
So can I return
corn pudding.